How are you doing, folks? James Farr here again, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely pristine 2018 BMW 2 Series 218D M Sport 2-door. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this glacial white metallic finish with the LED front lights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the M Sport front bumper, front parking sensors. If you come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging and the blue M Sport brake pads. Come around to the side, you had the privacy glass in the rear with the black trim complementing the windows. And at the back you have the BMW 218 badging, the rear parking sensors, the rear parking camera, the automatic trunk, and the shark fin aerial on top. Now folks, let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, over inside you can see the multifunctional BMW M Sport steering wheel. This car is fitted with sports mode, a sports plus mode, a comfort mode, and an eco pro mode. You have the upgraded sound system, the 360-degree parking sensors with the rear reversing camera, the BMW teleservice, the BMW iDrive system on board, the automatic transmission, heated seats. The interior comes in a coral red Dakota leather with the black trim finish, fully electric windows, keyless push button start ignition, enhanced wireless Bluetooth, and many other extras. Folks, that was just a quick look around this stunning 2018 BMW 2 Series 218D M Sport. If you have any questions about this car or any car in our fleet, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.